put his foot onto the block again. Back legs in the air. It's interesting. So previously you wouldn't just, let's see what we've got him standing still. Done a little bit of neck work, so we have a bit of an issue with his neck. He likes to hold his neck low. His sternum is up. The rider that's riding him is riding his sternum up slightly now. His previous rider allowed it to stay down, so his current trainer, actually, not rider, is lifting him up in the sternum, but the neck is still in this position. But they are going to be treating nuchal ligament with veterinary intervention. That's what we've pinned it down to, nuchal ligament, because the chest is up, but the neck is still not up. So yeah, anyway, very interesting. Same story with the hedge is releasing. This is what we look for in my FF version of bodywork. But these blocks are very powerful, causing releases to actually happen. So, and the proprioception in the soles of the feet obviously goes up into the system, and it's as powerful as the fascia release therapy or the release therapy, the Feldenkrais posture therapy. So that's the first time he's showed an interest touching the blocks. And the first time he's going to want to move off, and he can. You see, although sometimes I do tell him to just wait. It's interesting. Well, big licking shoe. It's foam from a distance. Oh, oops. See if I can get that back leg on. I want him to put a front leg on. Come. It's like so, half asleep. Completely good. So there's a reaction on the face of the leg, who knows, until they've done tests. But like you'll see, even if you go and have a look at Wendy Murdoch's channel, they haven't, keeps putting that back foot on, which is amazing. And then the other big sigh. The heavy eyes. Oh, look at the heavy eyes. And the head drop. Okay, so I've seen a horse coming. Oh, it's obviously going to change everything for a second. But the video is running. I'm running out of memory, so